So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send crypto from PayPal to Binance. Now if you want to send crypto from your PayPal account to your Binance account, the first thing you want to do is get your deposit address from Binance, and after that you can open up your PayPal's crypto section. So first of all, you can get to your Binance account just by going to binance.com or opening up your Binance app. From there, just click on deposit and choose deposit crypto and select the specific coin you want to deposit, like BTC or ETH, and choose the matching network and ensure it matches PayPal support networks. So after that, you can copy the generated deposit address. Once you've done all that, you can open your PayPal account and you can go to your finances or your crypto tab. So after that, you can just go to your transfer send icon. So let's go to balance. From there, you can see your currencies and activity. So once you switch to this, you can see your different currency that you use. For crypto, it's going to be that specific. From that point, you just need to go to that deposit, or rather transfer and send, and just paste your Binance deposit address that you copied from the first part of this. So after that, you can just review the network fee and transaction details, and then you can tap on send now, which you can also access through your send and request tab on your PayPal account. So just click on send now to complete that transfer, and just make sure that all is in order before you do that. So you can just check on some specific crypto if there are some specific rules and specifics about that. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.